Hey everyone, I am Kirti and today I am super excited to share my Monster project called Homely Hub, a web app I built during my internship at Webstack Academy. So it's kind of like Airbnb but built completely from the scratch using Monster. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive in. So here is what I will be sharing in this video. First, what the Homely Hub is all about, then the tech I used, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then we will talk about Monstack and the core features of the project, and finally, a quick wrap up with all my learnings and experience. So let's begin. So, Homely Hub is a simple, user-friendly platforms where travelers can find and book unique places to stay, like cozy room, apartments, or even fancy villas and in it we have used RESTful APIs for smooth communication between backend and the front end, and we have used Redux in it to ensure efficient client state management. So let's begin with the HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is like the skeleton of the website. It defines how everything is structured. It defines different elements like headings, paragraphs, images, and the links. In Homely Hub, I used HTML to build layout, property, uh, like layouts like property listing, forms, bars, and dashboards. I also used semantic tags like header tag, nav tag, footer tag, and meta tags to make a website SEO friendly and accessible. Basically, HTML sets up the base and then we style and add functionality on the top of it. So here is the structure and the features of the HTML. So let's talk about the structure first. We start with HTML, then head, and then the body. So doc type HTML defines the document type, whether it is an HTML document or an XML document. Then the HTML tag, it is the root element that contains all the HTML content, and head tag contains all the metadata like title, links, styles, scripts, etc. And the title defines the title shown on the browser tab. And the body tag contains visible page content like text, images, links, and etc. etc. Coming to the features of HTML, HTML is simple, SEO friendly, platform independent, and works smoothly with CSS and JavaScript. Now comes the CSS, the beauty part. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. If HTML is the skeleton, then CSS is the outfit. It decides how everything looks, the colors, fonts, layout, spacing, literally everything that makes a website look beautiful. It also helps in making website responsive, which means designs design adjust depend automatically depending on the screen size. So CSS is of three types: inline, internal, and external. So in inline CSS, we can style a single tag. In internal CSS, we can style a whole HTML document, but with the style tag that is written inside the head tag. Um, and in external style, we create a separate file, CSS file for styling HTML document. So we used media queries, Flexbox, and CSS grid to make sure every web page look perfect. So yeah, whether someone is booking from a phone or a desktop, Homely Hub stays smooth. or stylish. So, so let's talk about the advanced features of CSS now. CSS variable for dynamic color themes and animations and transitions for smooth effects. We can use 3D transforms, dark mode support, and the CSS module for component based styling. So these details might sound small, but together they really make user interface feel polished and professional. So now comes the fun part, that is the JavaScript. It is the programming language that makes web pages look dynamic. If HTML builds the structure, CSS adds the style, then the JavaScript is the brain that brings everything to the life. It actually adds behavior to the website. If it make a website interactive. In Homely Hub, JavaScript is used for the things like showing or hiding content, validating forms, animating elements, and loading data without refreshing the page. In Homely Hub, we use JavaScript for event handling, like every click or scroll on or movement by a user mm, brings page to the life. JavaScript listens for these actions and reacts instantly, like showing a property full detail when you click on it or adjusting search results as you type. Form validation. When users fill out the forms, JavaScript makes sure everything is correct before sending it off. It spots mistakes, missing fields, or wrong forms right away, saving both times and effort. Third thing that we used JavaScript for in Homely Hub, that is the DOM manipulation. DOM stands for Document Object Model. Instead of reloading an entire page, the JavaScript quietly updates only what's needed, whether it's a profile section, a listing, or a booking detail. This keeps everything fast and seamless. Last one is the async operations. JavaScript also handles the unseen part, fetching new data from the server, managing loading screen, and the keeping things running even when the multiple actions happen at once. So now, so now comes to the MERN part. MERN actually stand for MongoDB, ExpressJS, React, and the Node. We use MongoDB for we use a MongoDB for database storage. It is a NoSQL database, and we use it for storing data of users, booking, uh, etc. in Assembly Hub. And we used Express for building APIs and handling routes. And we used React for creating user interface. And we use HTML Node.js for running JavaScript in the backend. Together, they make an amazing combo for full stack development. And honestly, once I started working with the MERN, I realized how powerful it is for building modern apps. So let's come to the core features of the Homely Hub. First one is the authentication, that is the secure sign up and login. Next is the search and filters on the basis of location, rates, pricing, and amenities. Third one is the booking system with real-time availability and confirmations. And the last one is the payments, the secure checkout and receipt for the user. So before concluding, let me give you the quick demonstration of how Homely Hub looks like. So this is the code of the that I have written. So this is how the our Homely Hub interface looks like. So let's begin with this Homely Hub icon. Whenever you click on this icon, you can go to the home page or the index page. So here is the search bar where you can search your destination based on the start date and end date. You can add the number of guests that are traveling with you also. So let's search for Goa. Add the number of guests as 4. So there are only places that are available right now. So you can see these. So whenever you click on this Homely Hub icon, you go back to the home page like this, as I already told you. So you can simply apply the filters on the search also by clicking on this filter icon. So you can set the price range also like this. You can also select the property type like house, flat, or the guest house. But you can also select the room type like entire home you want to book or whether you want to book a single room or any type. You can also choose the amenities like Wi-Fi, AC, TV, parking, etc. If you want to uh, clear all the applied filters, click on the clear button. Or if you want to apply all the filters, just click on the apply button filters. I just don't want to apply any filter. So I am going back to the home page. So as you can see, the home page displays lots of the property cards, each one showing a different stay options. We have places like Olive in Munnar Farmhouse, Sunny Side Up, and others. Each card is having an image, property name, location, and the price per night. So whenever we scroll down, you can easily browse through multiple stays. I used React for rendering these cards dynamically, and MongoDB displays the property details like images, price, location, and the description, etc. I will show you after some time. So whenever you click on this icon, you can see the rest of the properties also. So on the top right corner, you can see the profile icon. Whenever you click on this icon, you came to the login page. So here you can see on the path also on the website also on the website URL also. So if you have not already registered, so you can't log in right now. If you are already registered, then you can log into the Homely Hub by just entering your credentials like email or password. So if you are not already registered, click on the new user to register like this. Enter the name. For example, I want to enter the name um, Charlie. Enter the email. Enter the password also. Re-enter the password to confirm the password. Click on the register to register. You can see we have logged in successfully, as you can see from the profile icon. So go back to the home page. So whenever we register, we can see in our database also. So here you can see whenever a person new user registered, so we can see the details that details in the database also. So that details are automatically saved to the database. So whenever you click on the profile icon, uh, so you can see the two options there, my account and the logout. Let me show you the logout option first. Whenever you click on the logout, you can see we have successfully logged out. Now we can log in by using our credentials that we entered previously. Click on the login and here we have logged in. Now click on the my account option. Here you can see the three options are there: my profile, my bookings, and my accommodations. So we are right now on the my profile section, as you can see from the URL also. So here you can see the full name of the user, the email address of the user, and the joining date, and the avatar of the user. You can simply edit the profile by clicking on the edit profile button like this. When you click on the edit profile, we can go to the page edit profile or update profile. Here the URL also changed. So I just want to update the name from Charlie to um, Shyam. So I'm entering this. And phone number I want to keep the same. So you can also change the avatar by click on this. But I don't want to change the avatar right now. So I'm just clicking on the update profile. I want to change the name to the Aman, for example. Just click on the update, and here you can see the name has been changed to the Aman. So you can change the password as well, like this. So let's go back to the. So here are two or more options are available: my bookings and my accommodations. So nothing is booked yet. So we will explore this option after some time. So let's go back to the home page right now. So whenever you click any property object, uh, property card, for example, Monarch Farmhouse, you can see the property details here. So here is the property detail name, property name, and here is the location of the property. And here you can see the images of the that place from the different angles that you want to book. So here is an icon. Whenever you click on this icon, you can see the images like this also. So here is the description about the place, and here you can see that maximum number of guests are 8. So whenever you are booking this place, the number of guests must be less than or equal to the 8. It should never be greater than 8. Otherwise, we can't book that place. So here is the booking form you can see, and here what this place offers means the amenities uh, like Wi-Fi, AC, free parking, and the washing machine. So you can also see the location of this place through this map, and extra information is available here. So let's explore this booking page right now. So uh, before a booking, you must check that you are successfully logged in first into the Homely Hub. After that, you can book any place. So, for example, I want to select the start date like December 2025 to 80, and number of guests I want to select 4, and the name Sham. Name I want to select for Aman, and the mobile number I just want to write this. So by clicking on the book this profile, we can see the payment form is there. So click on the proceed to payment to do the payment. So here you can see the confirm payment option is there, or cancel payment. Whenever you click on the confirm payment, you can see that in the my booking section that we were explored already. When nothing is there, here you can see that our booking is already added. And when you click on this, you can see booking information from what date to what date we have booked, and the total price also. So go back to the home page. So in the my account option, the third option is also there, my accommodation, where you can rent your place, own place, if you want to rent. Here you can see the form is there also. You can also add your place. So after logging out, uh, if you have forgot your password, just click on the forgot password. We are using mail trap for resetting the password. So enter your email here. So email is the charlie@gmail.com. So click on the send reset link to send the email. So here is a line appears like, if this email exists, a reset link has been sent via mail trap. So check the mail trap. Here you can see email has been sent. Here you can see welcome, hi Aman, welcome to the Homely Hub app. We are sending you the link to reset the password. To reset the password, please click here. So click on the reset your password option. Reset your password. So here you can enter your new password and confirm your password. For example, I want to enter 123 and confirm with the password 123. Click on the reset password to reset your password. So you can. So we have successfully reset our password. Let's try to log in again. by entering the password. You can see, just click on the reset your password option. Click on the reset password to reset your password. You can click on the, now you can see that our password has been changed and we have successfully logged into this account. So this is all about my Homely Hub project. So at the end, I want to conclude my presentation. Honestly, this project was such a great experience for me. It was not just about the coding, but I gained the real world experience through this project. I got to explore MERN stack and handle real world problem and see how everything connects from front end to the back end. I am super grateful for this opportunity and the mentorship I got during this internship. I am very thankful to Webstack Academy for this opportunity. A special thanks to the Richa ma'am for explaining everything in such a great manner. So, thank you for the opportunity and the guidance.